Good morning, besties. It's me, Evelyn, for those of you who never seen my face before, but if you have, welcome back to my channel. And welcome to Vlogmas Day 1. It's so crazy that we're already in Vlogmas videos. Like, it's actually November 28th, Friday, November 28th, and it's 8:30 a.m. And as y'all can tell by the title, I am buying a car. I'm hoping everything goes well. Fingers crossed that nothing is not well. So, yeah. My appointment is at 10 a.m., so I should probably get up now because I want to take a shower and I gotta do my hair. So, yeah, I hope y'all can hear me. I got the TV playing, and I'm currently also trying to finish uploading another video. But, that's the tea. Happy Vlogmas Day 1. And I'm gonna just see y'all once I'm like getting ready to do something. Okay, y'all, so she's finally looking at vehicle. I'm so nervous right now. I'm gonna go look at the first car that we finna go see. She has said that it'll be the most, I don't know. We gonna see though. This is the first car. They was getting it ready. Are you okay with me looking at it?
Alright, we're gonna open
Sorry.
the door real fast.
I'll grab the truck.
Alright.
This is the first vehicle, y'all. It's snowing out here.
I turned the heated seats on, that way the heated seats can
Oh,
be on.
great. Heated seats. Oh. This don't have the price on it.
$795. It's got remote start, heated seats, sunroof,
Oh, okay.
hands-free, rear view camera.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glowed. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. In one foggy Christmas Eve.
Okay, y'all, I just got back home. I've been crying. I did not get the car, y'all. Like, I have great credit, and he said everything is good besides my income. I just don't make enough money at work for me to be able to get the car. So, well, my down payment was like $5,000, and I was not having $5,000, and my aunt was just like $5,000 is too much too for a down payment. So, yeah, especially not for no new. It's not a new car. It was like a 2014, 2015 Ford Escape or something like that. I don't know. Super cute car though. I loved it. It just wasn't meant to be, y'all. So I guess I don't know what I'm gonna do with this vlog now. I'm just gonna. I have to go to work later, so
Who's this girl going out with?
I don't know. I'm gonna just call y'all back though once I get my emotions together and things like that. Okay, besties. I really don't remember the exact model of the car, but I really liked it. It was cute. It was small but big, and that's what I want. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna continue to look into getting a car, but on a good positive note, my TT just gonna go get her ears pierced, so we're gonna go do that before I have to go to work. And I gotta do some Black Friday shopping with my aunt. So yeah, I'm gonna try you out this mood. I'm gonna try to get another job, and yeah. So we made it into the mall, y'all, and we in Claire's, and another baby just got their ears pierced, and I don't know. Look at TT, she's just sleeping so good. The last baby just hollered and hollered. She stopped hollering quick though, so.
Yeah.
Oh, she just playing. She gonna mark it. Okay, TTs. Oh, it's even big this before it. Then she gonna mark it. To hold her head. Yeah. She said like a headlock position.
Alright. Yeah, because typically sitting up and down, but sometimes they're like a little bit too little to sit up and down. So as long as her head's still and her arms are still. Perfect. Thank you. Yes, of course. Alright. So personally, I
TTs. You got it.
whatever's easier, probably this one.
Let me know that bow. There you go. All right. Oh, baby. Oh, my TTs. You did such a good job. It's okay. You're okay. Oh. Yeah. You did so good. Yes, you did. Oh, yes. Good job. Hey besties, I am currently at work. I don't remember the last time y'all seen me, but I'm gonna get ready to get off and I'm gonna go to the grocery store. I'm not going for groceries. I need to get some hygiene products, need some new body wash, and I also need like some chapstick and just a few things to get me through the winter, y'all. It's snowing. It is literally so cold outside. Like, I'm so ashy and I just need new products for the winter time. So we are definitely going to be going shopping. I'm actually finna get ready to clock out here right about now. So yeah, I'm gonna just see y'all when I get to the store. Anyways, y'all, I'm key annoyed because I literally left the house with Crocs on this morning. And like I said, it's just snowing. And I heard it's about like 3 feet of snow out there. Well, that was about an hour ago. So it's about, I don't know how much is out there right now. And I have Crocs on, no socks. So that's fun. But yeah, I'll just see y'all when I get to the store. Can y'all see it, y'all? It's coming down and I have on Crocs. Crocs. Like, this shit is crazy. For real. Ugh.
Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then how the reindeer loved it.
Okay, besties, we made it to Walmart. I need like 2 different body washes. I got socks. I think I told y'all I wanted socks. Okay, I definitely need one of these. What's that? Okay. They got no, I don't want no Christmas set. They probably got some down over here. Yeah, I need like a everyday body wash and then one for smell good. So I think I'm gonna go with Dove, what I know for sure. They don't have too many options though for a Dove one.
As they shouted out with glee, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it.
Y'all, they got a wicked Olay. My aunt just told me to try Olay, so
Olay. Auntie, do the kids not
I'll
like
try
these?
Olay.
Oh, they love them.
They do.
Yeah, I just threw theirs away.
Why? They get dirty after
Because
a
they
year.
only, I swap them out once a month. I'm buying them again on Monday.
Okay.
They get them. I don't buy the $2 ones.
Yeah, I'm gonna get
These
this.
are the dollar ones down here. These are the ones I get the kids.
Yeah. Okay, we probably get an African next one just like ours. So we just wash it. I'm gonna see if you do. I think I'm gonna do this one. But this is maybe I should just switch. I don't want to switch up what I know.
What do you use?
You would even say it glows. All of the other reindeers used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. In one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight?
Okay, besties, I've been home for a little minute. I'm actually finna get in the shower, but let me show y'all what I bought. I ended up getting my deodorant, which I got the aluminum free secret, but I got the cotton because this is what my body is used to right now. Hold on, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm using in a second. I don't know why this just got overly loud for no reason, but and then the body wash I picked up was this Olay Wickedly Wonderful scent right here. This is the Alpha Buzz edition. I don't know, y'all. I'm overly obsessed with Wicked, and it smells really good, so I got this. I also wanted the EOS, but my aunt was like she didn't like it. I guess she said it didn't make her body feel clean, but it smells so good. It's on my hand, y'all. So I think I might go back and get that one another time. But that's all I got. Yeah, I'm finna go wash my butt and then eat dinner. Okay, y'all, so I'm actually currently using the white peach one right now, so yeah.
And how the reindeer loved it as they shouted out with glee, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history.
Alrighty, besties. This video did not go how I wanted it to go. I was supposed to have my car and all of that. Like, yeah. But I think I'm just gonna go ahead and end it off here because it's gonna be uploaded today. It's crazy that I am doing Vlogmas already. Like, I actually am currently, I'm gonna do a double upload today. I'm uploading my collective vlog right now, and then I'm gonna go ahead and edit and upload Vlogmas Day 1. But before I even like do that, I need to start making my intro for Vlogmas. So yeah. I don't think I have anything too much crazy to say. I may show y'all me making my intro. I might do it on my iPad. So yeah. Ooh, excuse me. I'm currently Princess. Girl. I'm gonna just call y'all back. Okay, y'all. So I use CapCut to make most of my intros, and I just type in Vlogmas. Hold on, that's gonna annoy me. Vlogmas intro. Okay, y'all, I do have CapCut Pro, so this simply may not be available to y'all if y'all try to use it, if y'all don't have that. So I would recommend getting that. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and change the title. This is too cute. Like the Vlogmas 2025, subscribe, and I just put, let me see if I can find the stickers for like Instagram and stuff like that. This little thing can go, that's not my type of vibe. Or I might just do this instead. TikTok. Y'all get the point. I'm gonna show y'all it once it's done. And I just use this picture because I'm in a red top and that just goes with, you know, Christmas vibes. Okay, besties, this is how my intro came out. I end up adding music so I don't get copyrighted myself. I just went on YouTube and found the music like always. But yeah, it's super cute. Nothing crazy, nothing special. But I think it's really cute, honestly. I love it. Alrighty, besties, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video off here. I don't have much else to say or do in this video, so I'm not gonna drag it on even further. I know this video was not what I expected it to go, how I wanted it to go, but it is what it is. Everything happens for a reason, and God will bless me with my car sooner or later. So I'm not gonna continue to dwell on this one little setback because it's gonna happen for me. It will. Yeah, but I love y'all so very much. Make sure y'all follow all of my social medias linked down below because when I don't post on here, I will be posting over there. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoy Vlogmas Day 1, and I'm gonna see y'all in Day 2. Bye.